Shrinking liquidity puts Solana on unsteady ground as profitability deteriorates. Glassnode. Cryptocurrency. Liquid staking. Solana. Exchange outflows and steady ETF inflows are providing structural support despite thinning liquidity. Crypto journalist. Amin Ayan. Crypto journalist. Amin Ayan. Part of the team since April 2025. About author. Amin Ayan is a crypto journalist with over 4 years of experience in the industry. He has contributed to leading publications such as Cryptonews, Investing.com, 99 Bitcoins, and 24/7 Wall Street. He has also written, Kalshi wins temporary pause against Connecticut gambling order. Representative Keith Self files amendment to prevent a U.S. CBDC in defense bill. Fed cut already priced in Powell's tone and 2026 shift bullish for crypto. Nansen. Standard Chartered-backed Libeara launches tokenized gold fund in Singapore. Circle wins full ADGM license to expand USDC across the UAE. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 3 hours ago. The Solana Networks Foundation is weakening as liquidity thins and profitability drops, according to on-chain data. Key takeaways. Solana is undergoing a full liquidity reset, with realized losses exceeding profits and liquidity falling. Exchange outflows and steady ETF inflows are providing structural support despite thinning liquidity. Analysts see potential recovery by early January, but near-term volatility remains high. According to Glassnode, Solana's 30-day average realized profit-to-loss ratio has remained below 1 since mid-November, a level typically associated with bear market behavior. A reading under 1 means traders are realizing losses more often than profits, signaling deteriorating sentiment and reduced liquidity. Analysts say Solana entering full liquidity reset. On-chain research group Altcoin Vector described the current environment as a full liquidity reset, a pattern that has historically marked the beginning of new liquidity cycles and preceded market bottoms. If the structure mirrors April's setup, analysts said liquidity could begin to recover in roughly 4 weeks, pointing to early January for potential renewed momentum. Despite the pressure, Solana isn't without support. Persistent withdrawals from centralized exchanges have steadily reduced available supply, while demand from ETF buyers continues to build. Spot Solana ETFs recorded $17.72 million in net inflows so far this week, nearly matching last week's $20.30 million, according to Soso Value. Still, the broader environment remains fragile. Elevated leverage across crypto markets has amplified volatility, with CoinGlass reporting $432 million in liquidations over the past 24 hours. Solana accounted for $15.6 million of that, making it the third most liquidated asset behind Bitcoin and Ethereum, as the token climbed 3.2% on the day, per CoinGecko. Analysts say the mid- to long-term outlook for Solana remains slightly constructive, especially if macro uncertainty clears and liquidity returns to the market. However, in the near term, shrinking profitability, thinning liquidity, and heavy leverage leave the asset vulnerable to sharp swings. As reported, Pi Finance has revealed a $5 million seed round led by some of the major players in the space. The goal is to turn billions in locked SOL stakes into an active yield market. Variant and Coinbase Ventures led this round, with participation from Solana Labs, Nansen, Gemini, and others, according to the press release. Pi says that it's building bond markets for validators and stackers on Solana, SOL. The platform enables validators to draw and keep stake. They can offer rewards across more than 1,000 validators. Fed liquidity boost could send Bitcoin sharply higher. As reported, Bitcoin's climb above $92,000 has stirred fresh optimism among market watchers who now believe this week's Federal Reserve meeting could set off a far bigger rally. Analysts at the London Crypto Club say a liquidity boost from the Fed on Wednesday may act as a powerful catalyst, potentially driving the world's largest cryptocurrency sharply higher. In their latest note, David Brickell and Chris Mills argue that the central bank is poised to deliver a dovish surprise, forecasting that policymakers will inject liquidity through a creative bond-buying mechanism rather than explicit quantitative easing. We're moving into a continued rate-cutting cycle accompanied by balance sheet expansion as the Fed effectively turns on the money printers to monetize the deficit, they wrote. Meanwhile, a key on-chain indicator known as liveliness is climbing again, even as Bitcoin's price action remains subdued. Analysts say the divergence suggests renewed underlying demand, with dormant coins moving at levels not seen in years, a sign that long-term holders may be re-entering the market. Last week, Bitfinex said the market is showing seller exhaustion, following a period of heavy deleveraging and panic-driven exits by short-term holders. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions, Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference, real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders' crypto market prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer. XRP price prediction. Panic sets in as XRP drops again, but this signal says a massive bounce could be coming. XRP price prediction. $716 million floods into crypto funds. Why are institutions quietly buying XRP right now? Bitcoin price prediction. Bernstein says 4-year cycle is broken as institutions drive an elongated bull market, raises 2026 target to $150,000. Price analysis. Live Bitcoin price alert. September and October JOLTS data drops today. Will job openings shift Fed rate decision? 18 hours ago, by Anas Hassan. Exclusives. Daniel Lee named CEO of Cactus Custody, strengthening its institutional digital asset platform. 1 day ago, by Tanzil Akhtar. Price analysis. Leading AI Claude predicts the price of XRP, Solana, Pepe by the end of 2025. 1 day ago, by Ahmed Balaha. Best crypto to buy now in December 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 4 days ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 33 minutes ago, by Inesis Tavares. Best crypto presales to invest in December 2025. 1 day ago, by Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in December 2025. 1 day ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 10 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 1 day ago, by Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 21 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 1 hour ago, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. 1 hour ago, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. 1 hour ago, by Ben Beto.